Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing review of random stuff. I'm your host Logan, and let's get to it. Today we are taking a look at this generic LED garage light. It's a 2-pack. It opens like a fan saw blade from Hellraiser, and it's got 10,000 lumens. And I'm not sure if you know what lumens are, but that's a lot of lumens. All right, so let's open her up. Yeah, you always want to kind of rip unnecessarily when you open stuff. Just like a kid. Wow, that looks quite nice. Might just want to leave it in the box like that. Hello. Unnecessary plastic or necessary. More unnecessary plastic. Actually, might be necessary. Now, when these drones take off, you have to run because you only get a limited amount of time to survive. As soon as they turn on and start to come towards you, in all honesty, these are pretty cool lights. If you screw them in somewhere and then you point at certain walls and whatnot, you can get a crazy studio lighting situation for super cheap. And they kind of look like drones, so why not? You could also put these in a fan, like a ceiling fan, and when the bulb is spinning down, now you got, what do you got? You got double fan, right? And if you do this with it, you could add some drag, and you could slow down your fan and kind of ruin the motor, but you don't want to tell anyone that I sent you. Now, these are quite amazing and awesome for 10,000 lumens. So what we're going to do, instead of just playing around with them, is I'll show you a before and after. And if you do like the way that these look and they light up your life, I'm going to put a link in the description below. And yes, Ma, in case you're wondering, these have a motion sensor in them. So when your bad guys walk in, as soon as they see this light, they get so scared they don't want to, go in your house and take anything because the light turned on. All right, guys, so this is no lights in my garage at night. And this is just a regular bulb. I believe it's 800 lumens. So that's 800, okay? And this is the new one. Just give me the light. Once again, here's a wall at night dark. Here's my regular light. I'll turn that off. And here's the just give me the light. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick look unboxing review, and I hope you have a great day.